everybody, Dave, Marathon Coach again. We're showing you, we've got a whole bunch of LED lights in these new coaches, and if any of the ceiling lights go out in these coaches, I'm going to show you in this coach, very similar in other coaches, even though the floor plans may be different, how to get to the 5-amp fuses that operate all the ceiling lights in the coach. So in this particular coach, we're just going to open this up, get to this large electrical board in the rear of the coach here. Got a bunch of electronics here. But see this whole row of 5-amp fuses up here at the top? Those are for all the lights, the ceiling lights in the coach. And these particular ones in the newer coaches, if that particular light group goes out, that corresponding fuse will light up and tell you that it's bad. And so it makes it easy to figure out which fuse you have to replace. But it's fairly simple. There's other fuses in here and different relay boxes and breakers and stuff, but those are the fuses up there at the top, the 5-amp fuses for the lights in the coach.